A ball of mass m is dropped from rest from a height h and collides elastically with the floor, rebounding to its original height. What is the magnitude of the average force applied by the floor on the ball during the time the ball is in contact with the floor? Remember, the impulse exerted on an object should be the product of force exerted and time over which the force is acting. From the information given, we can find the initial and final velocities for the interval the ball is in contact with the floor. Therefore, it is possible to have an expression for the change in momentum, or impulse. However, there is no indication of the time interval over which the contact occurs. Without the time interval, it is not possible to calculate the average force exerted by the floor on the ball. Therefore, the best answer is option E.